Hey, hi everyone. Let's solve the problem customer details. So this question was asked on Amazon and we'll solve this question using Python. Okay. Let's go through the question. Find the details of each customer regardless of whether the customer made an order. Okay, so this is an important point to note. We need to output every customer whether or not the customer made an order. If you look at the data frames we have been given, it's customers and orders data frame. So irrespective of whether the customer is present or not present in the orders data frame, we still have to display it. We need to output the customer's first name, last name, city, order details, these four columns. You may have duplicate rows in your results due to a customer ordering several of the same items. Fine, because same customer could have done multiple orders, which is fine. Like we don't have to return a unique set of customer details. It's okay to have duplicates. And finally, sort these records based on first name and order details in ascending order. Got it? So I'll just try to break down this problem, what I would have to do. So the first thing is, as you see, right, you have two data frames and then you have customers details in one and the order details in another data frame. So the first thing is definitely you need to merge the customers, sorry, merge the customers and orders data frames. Okay, and then the second thing would be, oh, you need to return first, last names, city, order details, and this has to be sorted by first name and order details in ascending order. Fine. So these are the two actions that we have to perform. So let's start writing down the code for this. So first of all, merging customers and orders data frame. Okay, just try to think, right, of which merge or join operation should be used here. One is, let's say, can we use a left join? If I take, let's say, the orders table on the left hand side and I do a left join, uh, I will get all the customers that are present in the orders table, which means all the customers that have made some order or not. But I will lose out on customers who have not made any orders. They could be customers in this table who have not made any orders out from this data frame, right? I would lose out on that. So left join is eliminated. Let's go with right join. If I do a right join, right, like um, customers being, let's say, I take all the customers and uh, from my right table. So orders is my left table and customers is my right table. And if I take all the customers, I'll get all the customers in this table. But if just in case there are any customers in orders table which are not present in this customers table, I would be missing out on them, which is exactly what we don't want. So because our very first statement says find details of each customer regardless or not the customer made an order. Even in inner join, I would lose out on some of the other customers. So the best option I have is taking an outer join. So I'll proceed with that. So I have a data frame. PD is an alias for pandas. I will merge my orders table. I'll merge my customers table. Left is the customers table. I have the cust ID. That's what I have in my orders table, and which is my left side table. My right table is customers, wherein I have just the ID. Okay, write on ID, and how do I merge it is using an outer join. Now I move on to the second part, which is you need to return these particular columns and also sort this table in ascending order. So what I'll do is, first I would sort my data frame using this function called sort values, sort underscore values, and what it expects as an argument is the columns. So there are multiple columns. One is first name and the other is order details. First name and the other one is order underscore details. Okay, so now I have a sorted data frame. Now out of this data frame, I don't need like all the columns. I just need a data frame with 4 columns, which is your first name. So sorry, so typo. First name, last name, city, and order details. First name, last name. I'll just type those here, or you can just simply pick up from this thing. You have first name, you have last name, you have city, and you have order details. And now let's run this code. Error while parsing something in line number 11, right? Okay. So I have df dot sort underscore values by first name, order details, and I've closed this, which is correct. I have first name, last name, city, order details. Okay, I forgot to close this particular data frame. Let's run this again. I have my output and the solution is also correct. So this is your solution. It's a 2-line code. Thank you.